Allow me to introduce to all of you our newest domestic tourism campaign, Discover More to Love. Kasama ba yun? I hear that this campaign is already generating conversation. In many ways, it has encouraged more people to talk about domestic tourism, and that is always a positive outcome. But first, allow me to make one thing clear. Love the Philippines is still our national tourism brand. Discover More to Love is not a new brand. It is a domestic tourism campaign under that same brand, created to encourage Filipinos to explore more of our own country and discover even more reasons to love the Philippines. This campaign was brought to life by our in-house team at no extra cost. That is just the level of expertise in-house. And to level up further, in our meeting last night, we asked each regional director to work closely with tourism stakeholders to identify and develop hidden gems in their region that deserves great attention. We have created a shared platform which we hope will give travelers more choices while helping tourism enterprises, particularly those in emerging destinations, to attract more visitors throughout the year, including the lean travel months. The Department of Tourism will promote destinations, provide tourism information, and connect travelers with accredited tourism enterprises. We will not be involved in booking trips or selling travel packages. That is the role of the private sector. Our role is to make it easier for travelers to discover legitimate destination and tourism providers consistent with our mandate and with the principles of transparency, accountability, and good governance. And perhaps one of the greatest advantage of domestic tourism today is every traveler can become an ambassador for the Philippines. Sa ating mga kababayan, sana sa susunod ninyong bakasyon ay maisip niyong subukan ang isang lugar na hindi pa ninyo napupuntahan. Marami pa tayong mga hidden gems na naghihintay lamang na matuklasan. Makikipagtulungan ang Department of Tourism sa ating mga rehiyon at tourism partners upang mas madali niyong makita ang mga bagong destinasyon, makapamili ng iba't ibang travel packages at makahanap ng mga pagpipiliang akma sa inyong budget at interes. At kapag may bago kayong natuklasan, ibahagi ninyo ito sa inyong mga pamilya, sa inyong mga kaibigan, at sa inyong social media. Ang bawat kwentong ibinabahagi ninyo ay maaring makahikayat at mas marami pang Pilipino at maging ng mga kaibigan natin sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na tuklasin at mahilin ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po and good afternoon.